honorable guests, for your attendance at this morning's book launch and award ceremony. It is a pleasure to be with you here today in Kuwait City. This publication truly tells the story of Kuwait's energy sector through the eyes of the country's leading executives working across the supply chain, from exploration and production, services and supplies, engineering, gas, power, and the downstream sector.
At the beginning, I would like to congratulate Oil and Gas Year for the official launching of the 2016 Kuwait book, and at the same time to express my gratitude and appreciation to the Oil and Gas Year for selecting me as a Man of the Year.
I would like to thank the Oil and Gas Year team for this recognition. I take such a reward with pride to my team, which I'm sure will motivate them more and more and become more proud to be part of the Kuwait Schlumberger team. Thank you very much.
I'm delighted to accept the award from the Oil and Gas Year in recognition of our projects in Kuwait.